And the best feature of the kitchen is a built-in pizza oven. Fire it up, Luigi. Welcome guys, my name is Max and this is Patrick. We are here today at our Airbnb property tour, Vista Bonita in beautiful North Scottsdale.
This home is situated on an acre lot. It's over 5,700 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and it's renting season for up to $50,000 a month. Let's go check it out.
As we get inside, you guys realize right away, this property isn't like anything else. You have traditional Frank Lloyd Wright architecture that meets a very modern touch, and we're super excited to be here today.
All right, so one of the key features in this house is this circular living room. It has custom built-ins, custom furniture. Everything in this room is custom, and like you guessed it, like I said, it's a very custom property.
All right, let's take a look at that kitchen here, guys. Double fridge, freezer, top-of-the-line luxurious appliances, 48-inch gas range. We got a coffee maker, German coffee maker, under-counter microwave, and the best feature of the kitchen is a built-in pizza oven. So have your friends over, enjoy pizza, and just have a great time here. Fire it up, Luigi. So leading directly from the kitchen, we're now in the formal dining space, which as you can see hosts 8 people and is a perfect dining room setting for your Airbnb experience.
Okay, so right off the dining room, we're walking into the east wing of the house. This is where some of the secondary bedrooms are, and one of the main features of the house is this beautiful movie theater. This movie theater is equipped with tiered seating. It has a bar, a full AV closet, and is an amazing experience at night and comes with Dolby Surround and everything you can think of.
All bedrooms in this house are oversized king bedrooms, and this one has access to the outside.
So this got to be my favorite bedroom of all of them. They are all custom themes. They have different colors, different beddings. Everything is a little bit different. And this has got to be my favorite room. And it's also a beautiful movie room that can be used at night.
My personal highlight of this house, the master wing. We got 2 closets here, his and hers, leading up to a gorgeous bathroom that offers anything that your spa retreat has to desire. We got a shower in here, which is actually a steam shower, a bathtub, double vanity, perfect spa experience while you're on vacation. And right around the corner, we're gonna check out the master bedroom. Oversized king bed, the great TV here, perfect for lounging and relaxing, and gives you direct access to the backyard. Want to catch up on some emails and get some work done while you're staying in this beautiful property? This is the office. This is the perfect office. Great setup here. You got monitor, TVs, direct access to the front entrance, everything you need to get some work done.
Okay, so here we're coming out to the backyard. It's a huge covered patio, plenty of seating. We also have a custom barbecue out here, outdoor kitchen. Everything connects to the main kitchen. And then on the other side here, we have this gorgeous pool with a big Baja shelf, built-in sun umbrella, elevated spa, fits 6-8 people easily. So it's a perfect Airbnb backyard. Okay, so this backyard features a variety of amenities, which include a putting green, Connect 4, a cornhole, a big fire pit area, and a soccer field. Okay, so at the end of the backyard, we have another bedroom and living room in the guest house. And this guest house does come with its own little kitchen, full-size fridge, freezer, microwave, and it's got a private bedroom and ensuite bathroom.
Right off the main entrance, the driveway leads to a 4-car garage that gives you access to the backyard through a separate gate leading to the guest house and the pool area.
So this completes the tour of this Vista Bonita property in North Scottsdale.
Follow us on our channel, comment and like, and stay tuned for the next video.
And subscribe.